Hello and welcome to all the viewers. As we know, today is 22nd December. This day is celebrated as Indian Mathematics Day to mark the birth anniversary of self-taught mathematician Srinivasa Ramanujan. We have made this video to pay tribute to all the Indian mathematicians who have their contributions in the field of mathematics.
Importance of mathematics. Mathematics provides an effective way of building mental discipline and encourages logical reasoning and mental rigor. In addition, mathematical knowledge plays a crucial role in understanding the contents of other school subjects such as science, social studies, and even music and art.
Isn't this triangle different from the other triangles we see in our daily life? Yes, it is different. You know why? Because it is a magical triangle. In this, we have boxes or squares or circles in which we can fill numbers. So that the number of boxes, circles, or squares in each side, their sum is equals to the number which is entered in the center. You may not understand this definition, so let us try it with real numbers. First, we will start with the smallest number 1 and we will fill the largest number 9. I am using here number 1 to 9. You can use any number. After that, we are left with 7. 7 can be made with the combination of 5 and 2. After that, let's move on to the second side. Second side, we are left with 8, 3, 4, 6 and 7. I am filling 8 so that I can get a sum of 10. After that, then we are left with 7. We can use 3 and 4 for this purpose. Their sum is equals to 17. After that, this side. In this side, before only we have 1 and 3. So we need 13 more to complete this. We will use 6 and 7 for this purpose. See, all the sums are equal to 17. That means it's a complete magical triangle.
Srinivas Ramanujan's birthday, 22nd December, was declared as National Mathematics Day in 2012 by the Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh to pay tribute to Srinivas Ramanujan for his contributions in the field of mathematics. The main objective behind celebrating the day is to raise awareness among the people about the importance of mathematics for the development of humanity.
Look at this square. Isn't it different from other squares? Yes, it is different because it's a magic square. You must be thinking how. In this, the sum of the numbers in each row, each column, and both the diagonals are same, 15. Now let's invest some time in learning how to solve a magical square. First, draw a 3 into 3 grid magical square. Then there are three rules which we need to follow to do a magical square. You can also make it a 4 into 4 and 5 into 5 grid. Rule 1. Whenever you are in a square, try to move top right, not left. If you are here, then you will try to go here. If you are here, then you will try to go here. If you are here, then you will try to go here. If you are here, then you will try to go here. Rule number 2. If you have filled a number here, and according to the first rule, you need to move here. But you cannot write here because here is a, then you will think that there is an imaginary box here and shift this number to the last of that row. Now, rule number 3. what to do if we entered a number here, but beforehand a number was entered here. Then we will shift that number down and move top right again. You must not understand this because it is a little bit messy. So let us understand it with real numbers. This is a square. In first, always remember that we will start from the top row in the center. We fill here 1. After that, according to rule 2, we will fill here 2 but in the imaginary box and then shift it to the last row. Then again the same, we'll imagine here 3 and shift it to the last column. Again, here it is filled. So here rule 3 applies. We will go down and write 4 here. After that, we can move top right. 5. Again top right. 6. Now here rule 2. Then we'll come back here and again 7. After that, again imaginary box. 8 here. And we'll move back here. 8. Again the same. Roll number 2. We'll imagine here 9 and shift it to the last 9. We have completed our magical square. Let's see, is it magical or not? Are all the sum of the row, column and diagonal is equals to 15 or not? Eight plus 1 plus 6 is equals to 15. 3 plus 5 plus 7 is equals to 15. 4 plus 9 plus 2 is equals to 15. Now then this diagonal. 8 plus 5 plus 2 equals to 15. Now the columns. 6 plus 7 plus 2 is equals to 15. 1 plus 5 plus 9 is equals to 15. 8 plus 3 plus 4 is equals to 15. And this diagonal 6 plus 5 plus 4 also is equals to 15. That means our all rows, columns and both the diagonals are equal. Now you can see that we have completed our magic square. And I hope you all will try this at your homes. It's not very difficult.
Srinivasa Ramanujan, celebrating the birth anniversary of the great mathematician Srinivasa Ramanujan, the man who knew infinity. Ramanujan's contribution to the theory of numbers has been profound. Ramanujan was fascinated with numbers and made striking contribution to a branch of mathematics, Partition Numerorum, the study of partitions of number. He was indeed a mathematical phenomenon of the 20th century. Ramanujan lived just for 32 years, but during this short span, he produced such theorems and formulas which even today remain unfathomable in the present age of supercomputers. He left behind him about 4,000 formulas and theorems. His phenomenal and exceptional genius was recognized all over the academic world.
Let's start. Choose a number between 10 to 99. Make sure that you don't choose a repeated number. For example, 33, 44, 55, etc. At one side of the paper, write the number chosen by you, and at the other side of the paper, write its reverse number. Now you have two numbers with you. Among them, one is a greater number and the other is a smaller number. Now subtract the smaller number from the greater number. If you are left with a one-digit number as your answer, then well and good. And if you are left with a two-digit number as your answer, then add the digits and convert it into a one-digit number. Now everyone is left with a one-digit number as their answer. Now calculate the half of the one-digit number. This is your last answer. I'm going to show you the same answer that you got as your last answer with the help of my coins.
As you can see that on my table I have 4 1 rupee coin and a 50 paisa coin, and this is equal to 4.5, and I'm sure that your last answer is 4.5. Isn't it surprising that I have given you the same answer that you got as your last? At last, I want to pay tribute to all the Indian mathematicians who changed the future of mathematics. It would be impossible to deal with our regular jobs without maths. Mathematics is not a dream. When you start paying interest towards it, it will be just a game of numbers with magical tricks. Hope you liked our video. Thank you.